In this short video, we'll explain how to use Klipspringer's Rapid Allergen Test Kits, commonly used for the detection of allergens in food factories. Firstly, take a test stick and swab kit out of the box and place the test stick onto the table. Now, open your swab kit and take the swab out, squeezing the bud to remove any excess moisture. Next, swab a 10 cm by 10 cm surface, using a zigzag motion to collect any potential allergen traces. Once completed, place the swab back into the bottle, cap tightly, and shake vigorously to activate. After this, open the lid of the bottle and add 4 drops of test solution onto the sample application slot. Then, leave your test stick for 10 minutes at room temperature. You are now ready to check your test stick. If a red line is visible, the test is positive, and there were traces of allergen detected on your surface. If a red line isn't visible, the test was negative, and there were no traces of allergen detected on your surface. Finally, confirm if there is a red dot in the confirmation window. If there isn't a red dot visible, the test is invalid, and that's it, you have now completed the test. If you need further support, reach out to the Klipspringer team today.